All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name is Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Guys, we're going to jump into Cardano today, ADA, and see what it's doing. I think the Cardano chart is kind of one of the clearest of all the wave structures here, and it may be telling the story of what's happening in the market, guys. I am bullish until tomorrow or until news tomorrow, FOMC, and then I'm looking bearish for a downside move sometime after that, maybe on Thursday, maybe at the news. We'll have to see how the news plays out. But I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in the charts. Don't forget, not showing you anything financial advisory, just looking at the market through an Elliott wave lens and showing you what I see. Guys, Elliott wave theory is based on 5s and 3s. The market is structured in 5s and 3s. Those 5s and 3s are put together to make larger structures and give us an indication of where price might be going. So we're going to apply that the best we can. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. All these are just trade ideas. These are ideas where price might go, where it could go, but it doesn't mean price will go there. Just looking at structure. So let's look at Cardano and see if there's anything in the chart that we can see. All right, let's zoom out. I'll give you a general perspective of what I'm looking at. Looking at a potential leading diagonal here. That's an idea. That's an idea. Or the other possibility here is that we have a WXY. Or let's see. Did I? Yeah, it could be. It could be a leading diagonal. I'll show you what I'm seeing there. Yeah, actually, it works nicely. Sorry, I didn't. So let's look in at this fourth wave here. I see higher highs later on, but maybe tomorrow or the rest of the week, we may get some bearishness in the market. Let's look at it. Let's zoom in. So that's kind of what I'm seeing off the bottom. I kind of see this as an ending, potentially as an ending diag or some kind of a five. Let's just call it a 5-wave move. That's a challenging count for a lot of people there, including me right here. Just this wave structure is horrible. But it could be a what do we call it? Truncated fifth wave, and maybe some kind of a weird, ugly ending diag. Okay, so let's look at this fourth wave in the small time frames and see what we see. What I'm looking at here, what I try to do is, okay, what's the low-hanging fruit here? Well, low-hanging fruit is I've got this 3-wave move off the bottom. We bottomed here. We could have some kind of a leading diagonal where every wave is 5 waves right here. So we got one. Come on. We got 1, 2. Lots of diagonals in the market, guys. 3, 4, and 5. Looking good as a potential leading diag, maybe. Okay, and then we've got this 3-wave move off of that, but I don't think it's high enough. What I think is happening, we're going to get a lot of sideways action, wasting time until tomorrow. So I'm kind of looking for a move like this, where we get a 3-wave back. This kind of resembles a 5-wave move. We get a 3-wave pullback, and then we get another wave to the downside, retest the low, and then I'm guessing we start. We either come up fast tonight, and this creates a flat. This comes until we kind of finish it out tomorrow during news, and then we get a dump later on. That's kind of the way I'm seeing it, and what that's going to do, zooming back out to that fourth wave, you can kind of see the structure now, where you have basically, come on, we got to move down there, this 3-wave that I've just drawn, up and then down again. And that gives us our fourth wave of a leading diagonal, get one more hit to the high of a diag, and then we get a 3-wave correction on a larger time frame after that. That 3-wave correction would look something like so. So that's kind of a count, a potential count. I like it. It's not too shabby. It's not too bad. Not a bad idea at all. What else could we see here? Let's try one more count here just to see if we got just have an alternate idea here. 15-minute chart. Let's actually go out to the 30-minute. There we go. What if we have some kind of an ending diag like this, where you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of just making an ABC here, we actually come up and make a higher high in 3 waves. Okay, so this kind of pumps up over the next couple of days. Boom, like that. Gives us an ending diag instead. Then I could look at this as an ABC, where you have a 5-wave move there, a 3-wave move back, and then an ending diag for C. That actually isn't a bad count at all. I like that count as well. So anyway, I guess I'm bullish over the next day or two. looking for a bearish move, whether it comes in 3 waves down or up. So we might be pumping up for the final wave here, and then after that ABC, guys, we might be looking for another move to the downside. Might be looking for another hit to the low. Okay, this might be, might be ready to crash towards the end of the month, and down we go, making lower lows. I don't know. I don't have any answers for you. Just ideas, guys. Just ideas. I am long right now in BTC, taking a look at BTC, seeing a potential ending diag in the development here, where you've got 1, 2, 3, looking for 4 to be complete, and then 5. I'm trading this wave right now up here, just scalping it, looking to see a lower low, and then I'm thinking tomorrow, and this is in line with my first idea in Cardano. We use correlation, guys, to between the charts to say, hey, what are some plausible ideas? What is the chart lining up to do? Anyway, I was kind of looking for a move potentially up tomorrow or into the news hour. This orange line is FOMC news, and then we'll be live in our Discord for that. If you want to trade with us, come on in before tomorrow. Love to have you. And then down, we could be looking for a downward move after that. This down here, another idea I had was that this takes a lot more time to play out down here as a 1-2 or an AB, right? And then once news hits, we get a bullish move for Thursday, and then into London we get a reversal, and we start heading back down in the London session. So there's some ideas. Just depends on what news does tomorrow on FOMC. But here's the deal. Guys, the market's going to go sideways and chop until tomorrow. It's going to feel very choppy if you look right here. It's just going to kind of be in this range, but it's going somewhere. It's creating wave structure. So if you need some help seeing that wave structure, you want to learn how to interpret that wave structure as it gets developed, come on into the Discord. Love to have you. It's $40 a month, guys, for the lowest tier. If you want my trade setups, it's tier number 2 if you want to jump into there. But I would love to have you. You'd be a great addition, I'm sure. Well, anyway, guys, I hope those ideas were helpful to you. Just looking at Cardano, a couple ideas there, and then correlating that with Bitcoin. Hope that's a helpful idea for you. You guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to trade with good risk management. I could always be wrong. That's, at the end of the day, just an idea I'm presenting, just looking at the market. All right, hey, if you love the steady videos you've gotten this week, yesterday and today, leave me a like and share some love in the comments, and we'll bring another one on Wednesday. Till then, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.